How to create an online store with Big Cartel. Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create online store and sell your products online using Big Cartel. So let's get into it. Here you can see I have bigcartel.com opened for me, and this is the website, and it says easy online stores for artists and makers. So what you're going to do is you just have to click on this option which says open your store, and you're going to continue building your store. So when you do that, it gives you basically these pricing plans and you have to choose one. The one we are going to go with the free one today, but the other ones you can see that it allows you to feature 50 products and it has $9.99 per month price, and this one gives you 500 products and is basically for $19.99 per month. And you can see their features right here, but I'm not getting into that right now because I'm just starting to build a store. So you can just click on sign up for free and you can continue the sign up process. Okay, so let me just quickly do that and I will get back to you guys. Okay, so after signing in successfully, this is the dashboard that you're going to see, and here you can see getting started checklist. You have a whole checklist of the things that you need to do to get started completely on Big Cartel. So first of all, you have to verify your location and currency. After that, you need to add a product, explore shipping profiles, then you have to connect a payment processor like PayPal or Stripe or whatever you want to use. Then you have to design your shop, and then you can just launch your shop. So I'm just going to add the product into my shop first of all. Okay, so here you can see you have an option. You can import the products and you can also add the products from others as well. So I'm just going to add a product. And first of all, I have to add a product name. So let's say I want to sell a sweater. Then you can basically give a good description to your product, like it's warm, it's knitted, and it's made of pure wool or something like that. Whatever there should be a good description for a sweater. I'm just going to add pure wool and hand knitted. Okay, then you have to basically add some categories to you. You don't have any categories set. To get started, click the manage categories button below to add your first category. Okay, manage categories. First of all, you need to create a category, like for what kind of category you want to create. Like it can be sizes, it can be colors, or whatever you want. You can just go on and make these kind of categories and you can add that into your product, like this product is available in this kind of category. Then you have your active status, if this product is active, hidden, sold out, or coming soon. Then you have your price, how much you want to sell it for, let's say $20. Then I have options of add individual options and add group options. Like what are the options? If your product comes in different variations, example size, color, material, fragrance, you can create an option for each. Setting different prices and quantities for each option is simple too. So you can add a grouped options or you can add an individual option. I'm just going to add some grouped options like sizes because I want to sell the sweater in different sizes. Let's say the color, because it's a sweater, so sweaters are basically free size or something like that. So I'm just going to create the add grouped option. Group name is color. The color name, first color name is, let's say it is blue. Then I have the sweater for the color, like let's say I have pink, I have green, and I have yellow. So these are all the colors available for my sweater, and I'm just going to click on the done. So let's say the options that I have is basically colors, and all the colors are equal price. Now you can just go on, click on this shipping, and you can add the shipping. The alone is this. If you want with others is this. You can change this. You can change the country to which it is going to be shipped, and you can add the shipping price to it. And then you can basically ask a tax professional if this product qualifies for a lower US tax rate. You can edit your US tax category and the tax payment will be here. And after that, whenever a person purchases this product, after adding all of these things, they are going to see what is the total price that they have to pay, and they can basically make a good informed decision. Now you have to add an image of your product because it is very important. If they cannot see what your product looks like, then they are not going to buy it, because obviously no one trusts someone blindly. So I'm just going to add this picture of sweater that I just got from internet, and I'm just going to wait until it uploads. Okay, so here you can see I have this sweater uploaded and it looks really good. I'm just going to save this product of mine, and it is saving right now. Okay, so my product has been added successfully. Now it's time to design the store. I'm just going to go on my dashboard and continue with designing the store. You can see that there's an option to put this on sale. You can do that as well. So my product edition is completed. Now I need to design my shop. Okay, so first of all, here you can see you can add a profile picture of yourself. I'm just not gonna do that right now. And here you can see add a custom domain. This is my shop and the design is this. And if you want to upgrade your shop information, you can just do that here. And now you need to click on this design and you can continue designing your shop. Okay, so this is how my store looks like right now. And you can see in the home, I have home, I have product, products, contact, cart, and maintenance. So I'm just gonna go and you can see from here you can basically drop the things on your store. Like you can add a header image, you can add a repeating background image, you can add a slideshow, you can change the colors, you can change the fonts, you have announcement text, maintenance message, and other things as well. You can just go on and continue with adding different things and you are good to go. I'm just going to go on themes and I'm going to apply a theme to my store, and this is basically the current theme. I'm just going to go with a different theme that is a little bit more interactive. Okay, so I'm just gonna go with this one right here, and I'm going to, are you sure you want to select a new theme? Yes. Okay, so I'm just gonna wait until it loads. Okay, so this is how my website looks now, and as you can see there is a big button of shop now right here from which people can just go on and click that and shop. I'm just going to go on settings and you can now add different things. You can add a logo, you can add a welcome image. I'm just going to select a drop image to here. I'm just going to go on and add a very random image because I'm not going to go and find something that is related to it. I should, but I'm not going to. So I'm just going to go on and add this picture as a welcome image. I'm just going to wait until it loads. Then you have your homepage gallery. You can display your best of works right here. Like you can create a homepage gallery and you can drag and drop 5 images right here, and they're gonna be in your homepage. Then you have your different colors. If you want to change, you can just do that. Your fonts are here. Your welcome headers gonna be, you can add like welcome header for homepage, welcome to store by MN. So the image gallery title, featured products are 12, products per page 36, and you can change these things after you have done everything. And you can see that if your store is something that you like, if it is up to your liking, you can just go on and change the view to mobile phone if you want to see how it's going to look like in the mobile. And as you can see, welcome to store by MN, and the contact us and products are here. And you can see this is basically the featured items, shop now, products, and contact. So you can change the add more pages as well if you want to add a page like winter products, summer products. If you want to add something like contact us page is already there. If you want to add something else, you can just go on and add a new page. After you are done with this, you can just go on and publish your website, or if you think it's not ready right now, you can just exit it and it's going to save itself and it will be on maintenance mode still. So I'm just going to go on and exit, and this is how basically you can make a very good online store on Big Cartel. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up and I will see you guys in the next video. Take good care and bye bye.